Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So watermarks can make your videos look less professional, especially for ads or content. With OpenArt, removing the watermark depends on how you generate and export your videos. So in this guide, I will show you the proper and safe ways to remove the OpenArt watermark in 2026. So first thing first, check your OpenArt plan. Okay, so most important step is free plan. Okay, so the free plan is contains the watermark in the videos and the content that you are creating in the website itself. But the paid plan, the watermark is removed. Okay, so that's usual. So if you want clean videos, this is the main solution. So use watermark free export if available. So inside OpenArt, go to export and download settings, look for remove watermark option, because you have to find it there. HP exports or premium exports, so select highest quality, like some features are plan dependent. Re-download your video, so after upgrading or changing settings, exports again, so download the clean video. Old exports will still have the watermark. Okay, so avoid cropping. So if you can't upgrade, you can crop the video. Okay, so but you have to know that that may cut important content, change aspect ratio, looks, and professional. So only use if absolutely necessary. Okay, so avoid AI removal hacks. So many tools claim to remove watermarks, but it can blur your video, leave artifacts, reduce quality. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.